Hello students, this is Rupendra Soni, your VMAT mentor. Today we are going to learn blood relations, that is your chapter number 4. So, as we all know that in blood relation we solve the questions regarding the relation of our brother, sister, father-in-law, mother-in-law, grandfather, etc. So, we will find out how this person related to someone or some person which is being pointed. Okay. So, we will use the sign conventions or representations. So, first of all learn about the representation which we are going to learn which we are going to use for solving. For men we will use a square, okay, for representing any man. It can be father, mother, brother, father, brother, grandfather, uncle, etc. For representing a woman we will use circle. It could be your sister, mother, like this, grandmother, okay, aunt, like this. And for the relation of brother and sister we will use like this, okay, only one line. This shows this is the relation of brother and sister. Now for representing husband and wife we will use two lines, okay, we will make a bond like this, two lines. So this will be husband and wife, okay. So like this. So please remember this notations, we will going to use it, and we will use family tree. We will also use the family tree for solving the questions. Let's see how. First question is P is a brother of Q, okay, R is a mother of P, S is a father of R, how S related to Q. Now see, let us solve here. What is given here? P is a brother of Q, okay, let us make P is brother. So I will denote, I will keep that P inside the square. Square means a man, okay, like this. R is a mother of P, so R is a mother of P, like this, okay. So I will keep R inside a circle that represents a woman. Now S is a father of R, S is a father of R, okay, like this, it will be like this. So this is the first generation, this is second generation, this is third generation, okay, okay, this one is second, this one is first, and this one is third generation. Now what is the question? How S related to Q? So simply S is a maternal grandfather, S is a maternal grandfather, okay, maternal grandfather of Q, like this. Now next question, that is question number 3. So correct option for question number 1 will be A, option A. Now coming to the question number 3. If D is brother of B, then how B related to C? To answer this question, which of the following statement is are necessary? We have to find out following from the following two statement which is necessary or which are necessary, okay. So the son of D is grandson of C, B is a sister of D. Let us solve and check it out. First of all, what is given here? D is a brother of B. So here D is a brother, D will be brother of B, okay. We don't know B is a boy or girl, we only know about D here now. Then how is B related to C? For that, first statement is the son of D is grandson of C. The son of D is a grandson of C, means C is the father or can be mother, okay, of D. Now next statement is B is a sister of D, B is a sister of D. So here this B is the sister. Now we know about B, we know about D. Now what is the question? how B related to C? Okay, so B is a daughter. B is a daughter of C. Understood? B is a daughter of C. So for solving this question, we need both the. So answer will be option number D, both 1 and 2. Okay, both 1 and 2 is required. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 5th. Women, Sohan said, she is the mother of the only daughter of my son. How that woman is related to Sohan? Okay, try to solve this here. Now, Sohan is introducing Sohan is introducing a woman, and he is saying that she is the mother of the only daughter of my son. Means what? Only daughter of my son will be like this. Somebody is like that. This is Sohan, and his son will be like this. Okay, and only daughter will be like this. Only daughter means a single daughter. Okay, only one daughter, and mother of this daughter will be like this. Okay, so Sohan is talking about this woman. Okay, this one, this is Sohan, and this is Sohan is introducing this woman. So how that woman is related to Sohan, how this woman is related to Sohan? So the answer will be option number D, daughter-in-law. Okay, this woman is a daughter-in-law. Understood? This woman is daughter-in-law. Okay, this woman is daughter-in-law of that Sohan. Okay, thank you. Next question we will solve in the next video. So option number D is the correct answer.